friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Vakas and you are watching Mommy Tech. So friend, today I am going to tell you how to close any app automatically while you sleep. So friend, without wasting your time, let's start. First of all, type on clock, select timer, select timer. See friend, set time, set time 10 second or as you want. Tap on stop playing. Scroll down, select top playing, tap set, and then tap start. So friend, open for example YouTube. After 10 second, app automatically close. See friend, app automatically close. See friend, for example, I open this app and this app close after 10 second automatically. In this way, you can close any app you want to close. Hopefully you like this video and this video is helpful for you. If you like, please share the videos. Please press bell icon for more videos. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.